Hello, good morning, class 7th students. So today we are going to study about the measurement of time, right? मतलब हम time को कैसे measure करते हैं, that we are going to see today. And there are many methods, one by one we shall discuss. So first we shall see ancient method, मतलब पुराने ज़माने में लोग कैसे time measure करते थे, that we will see today. Okay, so the first method we are looking here is nothing but sundial. मतलब सनलाइट का यूज़ करके उसकी जो शेडो पड़ती थी उससे आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो में. बाय दैट वी कैन मेज़र द टाइम. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज सन डायल. शेडो जो था चीज़ का, उसके जो शेडो पड़ती थी उस पर, दैट बाय दैट वी कैन मेज़र द टाइम. In Delhi there is one place, Jantar Mantar, still this clock exists. Okay, another thing is sand clock. One pot you see, cylindrical pot, both side it is broad and at the middle it is narrow with a hole, and sand is filled. So sand take a particular time. उस टाइम को हम 1 घंटा या 1 मिनट या 10 मिनट मान सकते हैं. सो पुराने टाइम पर हम ऐसे टाइम को मेज़र करते थे. दैट इज़ सैंड क्लॉक या आवर ग्लास भी कहते हैं कभी कभी इसे, राइट. एंड थर्ड मेथड इज़ ऑल्सो देयर. दिस इज़ वाटर क्लॉक. In olden time people were using water clock also to find out the time. Even in the boats and ships also they were using water clock. You can see how it is working, you can observe it. So this is water clock. It was also used to find out or measure the time, but in olden days. Nowadays this is not in use. Even this sundial and sand clock, they are also not in use in modern time or today. Now let us see the modern devices. मतलब आज के ज़माने में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं. So we'll see the modern devices to find out or to measure the time. Okay, so let us see the first one. This is pendulum clock. It was discovered by Galileo. It is the first clock actually for the modern time. Galileo developed this clock. Today also we are using. This is pendulum clock. Now you see the video. See how one bob is here and that bob is moving, and it takes constant time to complete one cycle. By that principle Galileo made it. Second is wall clock we are using. It is based on a spring, or sometimes some cells, electric cells are fitted, and then we use. There are 3 hands, one red one is, this is second hand, the middle one that is hour, and third black one is minutes. So we can find out the time using these wall clocks, and even wristwatch also available nowadays, and people are using to find out the time. Now the most important, that is digital clock. You can see here in this digital clock, PM, AM, and even microsecond, millisecond, these all we can find out. Here temperature, date, month, here everything is given. So nowadays people are using this digital clock even in cars, mobiles, in our you can say bikes also. These digital clocks are available and we can use. Now let us see the units of time. कि time को हम unit क्या है उसको measure करने की, जैसे किलोमीटर, मीटर, distance का है. So time का unit हम देखते हैं कि time का क्या unit है, right? So for the time there are some small units and some big units. Small units like milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours, day and month, and big units like year, decade, century, millennium, light year and all. So these units we are using in our day-to-day life. Generally we are using second, minute and hour. Day also we are saying, month also we are using, years also we are using. Decade generally you do not use. So okay, so this is the means units of time. Okay, now summary. We have studied that there are 2 kinds of time measuring devices: ancient time devices, sundial, sun clock and water clock. Pendulum clock, wristwatch, and digital clocks, these are the modern time measuring devices. Okay, thank you. Take care and make the notes. Okay.